Hi, Sykes from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got a book to read for you. Today, book is Percy the Small Engine, Percy Promise from 1956. So let's get started. A mob of excited children poured out of Annie and Carabelle one morning and raced down to the beach. They are the Vicar Sunday School, explained Thomas. I'm busy this evening, but the station master says I can ask you to take them home. Of course I will, promised Percy. The children had a lovely day, but at tea time it got very hot. The dark cloud loomed overhead. Then came lightning, thunder, and rain. The children only just managed to reach shelter before the storm began. Annie and Carabelle stood at the platform. The children scrambled in. Can we go home, please, station master? Asked the vicar. The station master called Percy. Take the children home quickly, please, he ordered. The rain streamed down on Percy's border. He shivered and thought of his nice dry shelter, or shed. Then he remembered. A promise is a promise, he told himself. So here goes. His driver was English. The river was rising fast. It foamed and swirled fiercely, threatening to flood the country any minute. The rain beat in Percy's face. I wish I could see. I wish I could see, he complained. They left a cutting and found himself in water. Oh, my wheels, shivered Percy. It's cold, but he struggled on. He hissed, it's slushing my fire. They stopped and backed the coaches to the cutting and waited while the guard found a telephone. He returned looking grimly. We couldn't go back if we wanted, he said. The bridge near the junction is down. The firemen went to the guard van carrying a hatchet. Hello, said the guard. You're looking fierce. I want some dried wood for Percy fire, please. They broke up some boxes, but that did not satisfy the fireman. I have some of your flood boards, he said. What, my nice floor? Grumbled the guards. I only swept it this morning, but he found a hatchet and helped. Soon they had plenty of wood stored in Percy's bunker. His fire burnt well now. He felt warm and comfortable again. Buzz, buzz. Oh dear, thought Percy sadly. Hero came to laugh at me. Bump, something thudded on Percy's border. Ouch, he exclaimed in a muffled voice. That's really too bad. He needed froze things. His driver unwound a parachute from Percy's form, or front. Hero isn't throwing things at you, he laughed. He's dropping hot drinks for us. They all had a drink of cocoa and felt better. Percy has steamed up now. Peep, peep, thank you, Hero, he whistled. Come on, let's go. The water leaped his wheels. He shivered. It creeped up and up and up. It reached his ashpan. Then it sloshed at his fire. Percy was losing steam, but he plunged bravely on. I promise, he panted. I promise. They piled his fire high with wood and managed to keep him steaming. I must do it, he gasped. I must. He made a last great effort and stood exhausted, but on rails which was clear of the flood. He rested to get steam back, then brought the train home. 3 cheers for Percy, called the vicar, and the children nearly raised the roof. The fat controller arrived in the hero. First he thanked the men. Hero told me you was wizard, Percy. He said he can beat you at some things. Percy snorted. But not at being a submarine, he chuckled. I don't know what you both been playing at, and I won't ask, but I do know that you are a really useful engine. Oh, sir, whispered Percy happily. So that was no, wasn't that one. Here we go. Percy Promise for 1956. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a groovy day with another video coming out real soon.